Yes. The can rolled off the table. A second can hit the tower. How's it going, Stan? Because I'm going way the fuck great. We in. Indeed, what the fuck? I actually look like something. So, let's get on to code, okay? Or maybe we'll just yell at each other like we normally do. But hey, I love that too. So I made a little bit of code. Went to job fair today. And how did it happen? What happened? Was it great? Did you find a job? How did it go? Job fair. Oh boy. It's been a long time since I've heard that. But it's great. It's great. Alright. Alright. So there's a couple of things that I want to do today. One of them is a got out great processor because, well, it's not, I don't want it to look like that anymore. I don't like it. So right now it's kind of a receptacle of a bunch of functions and a bunch of shit that we can do. What I want GP to be is essentially this. And that's about it. So that way, it should make things a little bit better. I went there to look for a place for my internship. True. Basically, to do my diploma, I have to do like 240, I think, hours. An actual job to pass. Yeah, yeah, that was 240 that you said last time. True. That's good. Did you find a possible place, I guess? Alright, so let's get some shit outside of this. So one thing that we need to do... Yeah. And I talk with people from Zeiss R&D and they cool. What is Zeiss? They're all white, so they're cool. No, I'm memeing. Okay. What the fuck are they actually doing? Ah. Okay, so they're like in the medical? Oh, and a bunch of other shit. Okay, that's cool. They do best shit. Oh, that's true. Zeiss do the optics. Yeah, the cameras, right? Well, not the camera, but the lens. Okay. Okay, that's cute. Like those fun lenses that I would never have the money to buy. Aren't those like way the fuck too pricey? Give me Canada, okay? Dicks. Okay. Enough. Yeah, I know them. I know them now. So, let's go. we'll also need to redo all this. I also take with people from some military industrial complex company, and also with people from Mission, the tire people. Dicks? Yeah, dicks. That's great. Military industrial complex are the best, okay? They are the best. Pew pew. Okay. All right. Let's have a brain, okay? Let's have 100% of a brain. So before even starting our system, we probably need to add a version to it. Right? That's the thing that we do, like we do create new VID, where we create a new version for our system. And we should do that even before the whole DB system is loaded. That way, we're going to load our DB system with that information already in. Streamer is... What the fuck is this? Is this another rolling meme? Bro. I'm rolling indeed, okay? So, let's actually do this. Holy shit, how complicated this shit was. Okay. So, we have an old VID. We have a new VID. So, this is okay. This is okay. And here we should make it... Bro. How complicated was this? What the fuck? And new VID should be this. +1. And did some code. Does that mean that you had to do the fucking cleanest shit ever to show that you can do something? Is this the meme? Okay, so here we should use TE, not TE, DB. Fucking hell. The naming scheme. I don't need this. DB. Parenthesis. DB. Why do I invert thing? DB. DB dot insert. And here in that dot insert, we need table, which should always be table 0. Let's take a look. That's kind of a magic number that we have there, but fuck it. You know what? Let's make it not a magic number. Alright, let's bring this here. Shift tab? Yeah, that's great. Okay. We do GP. My beloved matrix tensor, actually. Implementation can multiply 1,000 times 1,000 matrix of single precision float in, on average, 102 millisecond. Sorry, double position float. Don't worry, it doesn't mean a lot to me. I'm not smart enough for this shit, okay? I'm not smart enough for this. I'm a retard! Okay. Okay, we can reference DB directly. No, GP directly. Let's just copy shit. Boom. 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 Okay, if it's a meme I want to see. Okay. Okay. Okay, I see. We just, like, putting the same shit again and again and again. With, like, 4 loops, within 4 loops, within 4 loops, with multiple 4 loops that are within 4 loops. Based? I like it, I like it. Alright, so when we insert, we need to insert the table. So we pass this along. DB handling. When we do insert, we have table, then we have data. So in data, it needs to be a tuple. It's a tuple of shit, I think. On the implementation, is this the 6x4? Okay, so we're looping a lot, okay? It seems that we're loopy a little bit. Just a little bit loopy. Okay, wait. That sounds a bit retarded. Why do we double execute this? This should be an else. Bro! Okay. We good. Okay. So here we should have the name, followed by the VID itself. Oh, I'm mixing things up. VID first. And here we should do plus equal 1. Easy. Alright, this works. Then I can del db. The only problem is that C++ doesn't have yet, like, 16, 8, 4-bit float, which are usually used in machine learning, so I have to process those fatty for now. Oh, I have to process these fatty for now. Oh. Yeah, that's fair. That's very fair. Okay. And now I have to write docs for it. The nicest part. Bro about to kill himself. Alright, alright. So let's throw that to MF. Okay. And here, let's pass GP, where we can do GP, 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 and GP. Okay. So this makes sense. This makes sense as well. Which is 1, take code. 2, put into French Mistral LLM model. 3, add the prompt, write Doxygen for parts that I don't have it yet. 4, done. Okay, okay. I see the type of laziness we have here. Okay. I don't like these. I don't like this. Fuck. Stan, you absolute warmonger, okay? That's what you are. You're a warmonger at this point. Your hatred knows no bounds. Oh, man. Le meme. Indeed, le meme. Oh my god. If table is not is not is a thing, I guess. Is not. How did we do it? Brain. Why is this hard? Yeah, somewhere that checks this. I just don't want to fuck myself over. Yeah, that's the thing. Okay. French have nice wine and planes, an open source alternative to fucking MATLAB. MATLAB costs $2,150 for perpetual license for a regular one person. That sounds like a based way to make money. Okay, I like it. I like it. Or table in tables. That's some clean fucking stuff. God damn. I like it. Although in terms of plain, sub makes the coolest. I don't know anything about plain, but I want one. I want a plane. Give me the plane. Alright. For drop, we're going to do the same thing. And why are we not doing this? Okay. Let's do this. Here. Here. Sob Jazz 39. Sob makes flying Doritos. Okay, that sounds cool. Give me the Sob. How old is this? Oh, okay. That's why. I was like, this looks old. But they indeed look like flying Doritos. Give me them Doritos. That's exactly what you want to see when you deep your enemy. Looks good. Well, there's way more recent than an F16, right? I'm not retarded. Like, if I do F16, they're going to show me all of the other things. Like, this is old as fuck, right? Like, what's the new one? Oh, it's the F-35. And I'm sure that if I... Bro. I'm sure that if I see, like, modern Saw Blaine, they're going to be funny too. Like, that's the same one that you were talking about. What's the latest one? Can we have the latest one? No, we're not going to have the new one. Fucking hell. What comes after? Okay, so they haven't made anything new? Fuck. And that's for the one that we're supposed to buy. Alright, alright. I guess. Okay. Okay, enough memes. Enough memes! Alright. Where the fuck were we? Okay, so here we need a for loop for table in tables. We tabbed the fuck out. Those will need to be in reverse order. For in. Python for in. Reverse. Okay. Okay, that's cute. Okay. So this should limit the quantity of fuck-ups that can happen. Cute. Cute, cute. Okay. So that's done. So now we shouldn't need this. Okay, this is probably retarded. This is retarded. All right. Okay, push to main makes sense. Table array, I don't even fucking know why it exists. Okay, push to main, so we pickle what we have inside of main dict. And here we should probably store here inside of main dict. Alright, that's fair. That's very fucking fair. Okay. Old VID, old version name, main dict, shared set list. I guess shared main dict. We need better names for this shit. Change. Yes, change. Set dict. Okay, that at least tells us what the fuck it is. Okay. Oh, no, it needs to be none. Okay. Shared change set. Dict. List. Okay. That's kind of dumb. Okay, and I feel that this should be here. All of these should be on top. This should be here. Okay. Dev start. Multi. Start multi-core. I guess it's manager that we should name it. Okay, start manager. And we need to pass self. So let's start the manager. Let's start the shared list thing. Like this. Okay. Okay, making all of this separate is a good idea. That's going to be way better, way better. Let's just put some space because we know that we won't keep all of this. Okay. The part when we trigger the multi-core should be somewhere else. Okay, fuck. Let's start building this for real, for real. So let's go in the update loop. Okay, this doesn't need to be here. Argendling, that's fair. GP drop all. So now we're not actually using GP for this. What we're using is we're doing DB. Right, we're doing DB equals DB. And we do DB dot drop table. And when we give the table, we give the list of table that's written in here. Don't we have a list of table here? Oh, that's the table array that I removed. Whoops. Okay, I guess we're putting it there. Okay. Like this. Okay. So we can do GP. Ooh, no, we need to check if something is iterable. Not a tuple. Fuck. Python, check if iterable. Can we do like or array? Or list? Is this something that we can do? Python is not is tuple or list. Can we do this? Okay, can we just check is or? Is this something that we can do? Or will it only be used in a Boolean way? probably only be used in a Boolean way just to fuck me up. Mm-mm-mm. What does iter even do in Python? Iter. Fuck, this is retarded. Python, you. Why am I doing all of this? Is this a good usage of Python? Okay. All right. That's fair. Where the fuck else do I use this? Just in case. All right. Okay. Okay, problem solved. So db drop table. Now we should just pass the table for drop table, right? We just need to pass the list of table. So we should be able to do gp table thingy. And let's remove the cap because why the fuck not? Why do we use capitals on some but not all? Let's use them on all. Okay, we're fancy now. Okay, GP table array replaced by GP table array. Can we do that to all? Replace all. Boom. Okay. That sure was easy. Okay. So we drop the table when we start main. And this will give all the tables. Now we should create all the table, but for that we do db dot create table, right? That's the and we do the same thing here. We just pass along all the table and it should do the magic. All right. Then let's just delete DB for now. And let's go into the next step. So update. Let's go into update. Let's purge all of this shit. And let's start by processing. Sorry, this is more readable. Let's start by doing this. Create new VID. So when we create a new VID, it will do all the little magic that we want it to. So let's get started on that. Here we go. Create new VID. We should pass the name of the version, which is version itself. So that's one thing, but do we pass something else? No. Okay, we already know of GP. All right. And we use DB here. Do we want to keep DBND, or is this the only time that we're going to use it for like a long time? I guess it's the only time we're going to use it for a long time. Okay. So we create our new version. Is our version inside of our DB? It is. Okay. Maybe I should have kept all the shit just to be able to know. Yeah, okay. So first, create a new version. Okay. Clear fetch all is not something that we need to do anymore. Maybe we'll put something in the future here. Who the fuck is this imposter? It's a guy who's sexy as fuck. God damn. Ah, look. Great. It feels so good to look like something. Hello, Cardian. How's it going? How is it going? Okay, GP generate change list. This is now MF. I think. Where's my file handler? Yes, and it takes GP. Okay. So this should generate the change list and put it into GP. Alright, that's fair. Hello. It's going great. Hot as hell though. Well, Brazil being Brazil. Happy to hear that you're going well. That's nice thing. Okay. Do we want to think about optimization? I think we gotta skip optimizations for now. Yeah, we've done a lot of work. By we, I mean I did yesterday. Because I don't know, I had some concentration at the end of the day, and my medication seems to work a little bit better. I like up the dosage a bit. It's not perfect, but I'm here. You guys. Base. Yes, I got the new meds, but I should check the stocks. Absolutely, it's been some time, and I want to see them. Ah, okay. Yeah, it works a bit better. 15 milligram is the difference between good, well, useless and good. I think I'll need to up it a little bit, but we'll see. Maybe it's just not enough sleep yesterday. But, well, I still got a lot. Who knows? Who knows? My daughter's starting to feel sick, so maybe I'll start, like, to get the sickness and I'll be fucked myself. But who cares? I don't have my hair now to, like, fuck with my vision and shit. Okay. So my trash stock are going down. That's sad. But they're not too bad. Okay, 1%. It's not the end of the day. TD's getting fucking trounced, but it's okay. They were going up lately. They were going up. Okay, my sacred cow. Let's put this on the 1 day. Okay, okay. We're still within formation, guys. Let's get the fucking Bitcoin analyst up in here. And yeah, that that one needs to go up, okay? That's one I don't want it to go down. I'm way too invested. That's like the Canadian economy ETF. And I'm like, this is half of my portfolio. Okay, one half is TD, one half is this, and this is hopes and dreams. Another third, I guess. So, yeah. Maybe I'll dip more into some more meme stock. Who the fuck knows? Or I'll octuple down on the trash stock. But hey, we're doing good. I'm not scared. I'm not scared, I swear. But yes, we were doing, I think you weren't there at that point, but we were doing the commit part of the code. We kind of fixed every small things. So now all of the infrastructure is there. What I need to do is to wire it to the main, we could call it update loop. So this is what I'm doing, because everything is done apart from that. So right now I'm just like, oh, this is done in a retarded way. Let's fix it. And I'm doing this again, and again until it works. All right, enough yapping. That's cool. It is cool. It is cool. Everything's cool. Look at all these shits that we can remove. Let's put this like that because I might need it in the future. But for now, let's ignore. Let's ignore. Okay, main processing, GP processing change. This is a thing that I want to remove because it should be, this should be in the main fucking loop. So let's actually take all of this and put it there. And I guess shift tab a bit. Okay. Okay. So let's make this work. So CPU is declared in global stuff. Yes. Okay. Processes. That's to hold it. That makes sense. Error is in here. Right? Yep. Okay. Okay. That all makes sense. That all makes sense. Func. That doesn't make sense. So here, what we want is file processing. Okay. So file processing and the argument change list. Okay, so the change list that we get from this, that should be in GP. No. Where's my change list, bro? GP change list. Okay. I guess we should make it none at least. Okay. And let's put some caps, because we put caps on everything that's GP related. Alright. So let's search. So here we do GP. GP. Do I know how it works? I don't. But who gives a fuck? If we run this and it works first try, I will commit suicide, okay? So, just so everyone is clear, if this works first try, I die. Nice meme. Okay. So this should work normally. The only thing that I need to do is to import multiprocessing, which shouldn't be in here. I am not worried. Hello. Thank you, MB. Thank you for... when you arrive at the right time, okay? The support here is insane. How you doing, MB, today? How you doing? I don't know if I asked you, Cardian. No, I asked you because you said it. Okay. How you doing, MB? Answer me! Woke up from a nap. That's great. You should nap harder. Okay. Bro. Okay. Okay, we need to do the start manager thing before. So we do this. From GP. As you can see, I'm literally rewriting everything, but it goes well. Doing as good as I can. Happy to hear it. Don't stop. Okay. So we start manager. We're gonna have to edit the loop itself. Let's go into the loop. Let's go into the loop. Yeah. Let's go into file processing loop. Yeah. Need to wake up harder. I can see that you rewrote your air too. Yeah, I look fucking great. Holy shit. Okay. Okay. Fuck, too much thing in my brain right now. This goes there. It was already it. Yeah, okay. Fuck you. This. Bye-bye. This. Whoop. Yes, okay. This cannot be. We have caps everywhere. Main. Self, change list. No. It's this one. Okay. What? Yes, okay. That makes sense. Main dict. Boom, boom. Fuck. Boom. This is GP. Boom, boom. I need to wake up harder. Libair. Air RS. Yes, exactly. CS clear bloat. I don't even know if that's still needed. Okay. This all feels like I'm... Oh yeah, I need to rewrite all of this. True. True. Oh man. Okay, so here we're splicing the fuck out of the list. Okay. Then we iterate over the list. Okay. Dish part. Dish. Wow. This part should work. We're setting a bunch of things into motion. This makes sense. This makes sense. This makes sense. Okay. Okay, so we need to rewrite this all. Do I want to do this now? Do I want to wait? Do I want to kill myself? I guess. No suicidar allowed. Okay, I think I think we should think about execute now. Okay, how the fuck were we handling this? We had a thing for it. Execute. Okay. Okay, you're telling me that we have already handled all of this. Ah! Okay. God. Life is great. Okay. Okay. I guess here we could say close manager, recombine. Yeah. Def. Stop. Manager. How do we stop a manager? We put a Karen! No. Exit eloquently. You don't. Oh. Did I take the wrong thing? No, that's the right thing. I probably just del the shit out of it and it will work. Yeah, that's probably it. Okay. So first thing that I should do is probably recombine what's inside of this. So I should do 4... change... change in. So I'll change the list. We do. How do we fuse to dict? There's a thing for this, right? Python. Fuse. To dict. Merge is a better word. Merge. Haircut. Thank you. Okay, so I guess I could do this. But this feels a bit weird. Oh, wait. Wait. Okay, it is 3 times this already a thing? I don't think so. Okay, we need to try this shit. We need to try this shit. There ain't no way. Okay, so here's the AIDS idea that I have. So technically, this is an array, okay? So what we need to do is to unpack the array. If we unpack the array, it's 1 star. Then two other star. Make this into a big ass dictionary somehow. Well, at least it unpacks shit enough so that we can then put it inside of a dictionary. So technically, if I follow the logic, this AIDS fucking thing should work. It says no. I'm sorry, I'm gonna have to try. I'm gonna have to try. Because then I can do something like this. Bro. Okay, I don't think that that's meant for it, but you know, I think this will work. No? No, you're sure you don't want... You're sure? You know what? We're going to throw this at the at the interpreter. I want to see it struggle through this one. This sounds fucking idiotic. I love it. I have similar error length right now as you had before. I've been thinking about cutting it all off for quite a while now. You should. To me, like, what I had before is strictly because of, like, time and place in my brain to actually, like, take an appointment. But, goddamn, does it feel good to not have, like, the air always in your face. Oh, shit. It's like a life changer. So you just need to fucking commit. Just need to say, fuck it. Call them now. Now. And just put this as none, or do we want to put it on none? No, we need to del this as well. And then reset them as none. I just want to make sure that they're gone. Alright, this makes sense. How's progress on... it's a sign for me to do that. Yes, it is. How's progress on your thingy? It's going well. It's going well. We're like... We're getting near. We're getting near, okay? This shit will execute. And then... I will come, okay? Absolutely. No fucking way this work. Rhyme execute. If this works, I'll laugh about it forever, okay? This is unhinged. It's going well. It's probably a good idea to... Do we delete the process before or after? What do I want to do here? I guess we don't give a fuck. Okay. Okay, stop manager is a GP thing. So stop manager merges everything together. So now we can just assume that we have a big old dict. Okay. So now that we have that big old dict, we should be able to while loop the fuck out of it. I need to still handle the processing on change, right? You know what? I'll put it on the back burner. We need to get some progress here. Okay. So let's do the execute thing. Fuck it. I'm lazy. For CS in. GP dot change set dict. Can do CS dot execute. So we execute this shit. Now CS. When we execute, we don't have to pass along anything. And it will just interact directly with TE. But maybe I'm forgetting something, is that TE needs some preparation here, right? TE, we need to trigger start somewhere. When do we want to start it? Do we start it on the multi-core? Do we start it? No, we need to start it single core. And unfuck it if ever it bugs. Wait a second. Who are you? Okay, no. I'm doing good. I'm doing good. Okay. Let's do TE dot start. Okay. And when I do this, I need to pass along a bunch of shit, right? Where's the table? I don't like this. I don't like you. Fuck you. So let's do the same thing that I do with all of the other thing, which is make this magical thing. So that we can do this. Tables. Tables, tables, and then we put this inside of a for loop for table in tables. Boom. Tab it the fuck out. Whoops. Okay, let's try to see if there's anywhere that would fail. Yep. Here it would. Okay, there's a failure here. Because next ID is dependent on a couple of things. And it needs to be a list. Okay. Boom. No. Yes, no, yes. I mean, it should be able to be a list. Self db get next ID. DB should be at the start then. Alright, so then we can pass everything through the same start statement. We just have to pass along GP dot table array. God damn, we're getting there, we're getting there. Holy. Okay. So we execute all the change set. We don't have to pass anything along to execute. When they are executed, that means that at that point we need to do the TE commit so that the change are actually sent. I'll need to do the thing where we can just pass the whole fucking table. Anyway. Okay. So we should be able to do te commit, right? Te dot commit, but we just need to pass all the table. So for table in, and we go check GP for this. GP for table in GP table array. We run this, and we do table dot GPID. GPID, I think that's the name that we gave it. Whoops. Fuck. GPID. Yes. Okay. GPID is the ID of the table. Okay. So then we commit all the table. And technically when we have committed all the table, we are done after that. Whoops. Cancel. Save. Let's save a bunch of shit. Don't wanna lose anything. Okay. So just to be sure, there's no next step here. Okay. Okay. So execute can be removed, execute all can be removed as well. Yeah, we still need to pickle this. I don't think we use sub-process anywhere. We use multi-processing though. So let's go take multi-processing. Wait, why do we use multi-processing? Oh, for a manager. Okay. Here we go. Alright. So the only error that we have is this. Okay. I guess we'll find another way to do this. I guess we could do it with map, right? We can do map. Lambda x, and we do start our x. Is this a valid thing that we can do? And then we unpack. No. No, I cannot do such war crimes. Okay, fuck you then. Boring. Okay, I need to find another way for this. Okay. I don't want to reprocess a bunch of shit 1500 times. I feel that merge. Okay, Python merge multiple dictionaries into one. Yeah, but I don't want this. Right? I want to unpack each of them and throw them. Wait, that doesn't make sense. Will you be able to reread that line and understand it in 3 months? I will comment the fuck out of that line, my friend. the dot thingy, I would comment it, okay? No way I understand any of this. I just don't want to for loop the shit out of it. It feels dumb. This sounds so dumb. I feel like I'm going to lose a bunch of data, and I'm not going to know why for a bunch of time, and it's going to be because of this retarded fucking solution. Sorry, I'm triggered. Okay. 4. Yes, this is what I will need to do. It's just triggering. So we need to do this kind of dumb shit, right? Where we do this, we unpack this one, we put this new one, and we unpack this one too. The problem is I'm asking Python to unpack this big dict multiple times. It's dumb. There's another way, for sure. Like, this is retarded. I'm asking for calculation to be done again. I need to fuse 12 dictionaries together. Or 8. In reality. Like, I'm assuming that this does a thing. Okay, so you think that I could do essentially like this? No, this is not possible, right? Because when it's under its unpacked status, you cannot save it. Because it's unpacked. This is why I was trying to do, like, map. I don't know. I think this will need to be that way. Yeah. You know what? we're going to be able to see how long this takes. So, it may help my mental health. Okay. Alright. Alright. Where are we? So we're doing the commits everywhere. That's all good. There is update method for that dig that allows a dig to a dig. No need to unpack. Yes, but when I update, does it... Will it destroy some overlap? I don't know. Python dict update. What the fuck does it do? Or updating key value. I mean, we can assume that there's never going to be overlap. Hopefully. You know what? Maybe you're right. Yeah, but we can assume that it's not here. So let's do that. My issue is with a positional overwrite. But I don't know, it would never happen, right? Why would it happen? Why do I even think that it would happen? I must be retarded. I don't know, I'm scared of my own shadow right now. Okay. So I guess this works. You can just pass a dictionary to... Yeah, you can. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. I'm retarded. I'll take it, I'll take it. Ooh, wait. We need to unpickle those before. Right? Because we pickle dump. So we need to pickle restore or whatever. Pickle loads. Yes. Okay. Pickle dot loads. Okay. One end of run error avoided. We are so back. Okay. Merge the pickled version. Well, when they're pickled, you cannot make actions on them, no? Like the... okay, my understanding is the state of a pickled object is like transforming it into a text file instead of actual data. Okay. Or it's binary sometime, I don't know, unsure. Okay, let's not take a look at that for now. So all of that part is good. This is fucked, but who cares? Okay. Okay. So we just need to rewrite all of those. Just. Okay, let's not actually do that. And let's just do these one first. Because we don't need the other one for now. Yeah, we don't need the other one for now. Okay. So let's start with this. So with the new logic, we should be able to do... Let's go check our store instruction to see how it works. So cs.store. So we store an item. Now the item is an encrypted being, right? Yes. Because we do table name dot set, it returns the item. Yes, okay. Okay. So let's, here we have file name. So we do table name dot whatever the fuck we do. So here it's get set, that's fair. Then we do, wait a second. We don't need to have the positional. So it's a file name. We have a FID that we have no clue about. So we do none. Followed by this. Yes. Okay. So this, now the only issue here is that, is this current file name? Yes, it's current file name. Okay. So this is the new writing of the thing. Okay. That's fair. I think that's readable. So file. So we do mfile. We do .set because it's a new file. The first position is a none. The second one is the version that we start. Version that we end, which is for now 0. Type check. Or the type of object. How it started, how it ended. I think we did not fuck with the structure of file. No, we did not. Okay. So this should work. And then it's our friend bridge file. So bridge file, that's set. So current version. Then we need a getref. And when we do our getref, we should do our getref to FNID. So we do it over here. So the way that we did it now was by doing this, 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 and giving the full name. What the fuck did I do? I just want to copy this. Did I fix the, you don't need to... Okay, no, this works. This absolutely fucking works. Okay. Okay, and now getref for file. So we do file.fid. And then we do parse, but let's skip parse because it's not implemented. We have the clear bloat that I'm not sure we actually... Well, yes, we need it. Clear bloat is there to remove GP and MF from what we store. Probably should clear more things, right? Like if we wanted to be lean, we would remove it. No, we would delete it. We'd delete this, and maybe delete a bunch of other shit that are not needed. But for now, let's keep it simple. So this, then we add it to the change set dict at the current path. All right. That seems pretty fucking done. I'm saving them all. Crashing time! Let's see how often it... Okay. Oh, okay, it updated them all right away, I think. Who cares? It's going to crash so hard. Oh, what a start. One, two, three, four, five. Yeah, but range 4 starts from 0, right? No? Okay. Oh, no. I'm a retard. When we see, like, basic stuff being wrong, yeah, we update our priors, okay? Those things don't exist anymore. Cool. And where is that? It's in main? Okay. So... Or not? Oh, it's here. Okay. Okay. Table handling. So we actually just need table and change set. Right? Those are the two things that we have now. Change set. Table. Yeah, okay. Let's keep it simple. Grade processor. We only have the grade processor itself. 2. He's counting. File handler. We have master file. Okay. I think we got it. Let's run this again. Too many value to unpack. It's probably because I needed to do enumerate. 3, you fucking asshole. Too many values to unpack. Yeah, it's the enumerate thing. Table handling, 162. You know what? I'm not frustrated at all. Those are trivial to fix. Okay. Give me a challenge. Okay, so that's an example of what we want to do. 62. Like this. Oh yeah, and MBE, I need to show this to you. Remember yesterday, we had this issue where we did some string manipulations in order to like get our shit correct, and we ended up doing 1 = 1 at the end because we just wanted an easy solution. I thought about it. And because we're using well, because we're essentially just using tuples, we can use the join in order to join all of our shit together and not have this issue of like the last thing as a comma at the end. So this is actually like a way cleaner method that is applicable like everywhere in the code. Like it's so cool. Yeah, when I thought of that yesterday night, I was like, oh, that's going to be so cool. All right, DB, it's not capitalized. 286. 286. Is it the type of thing we're going to have some code that doesn't execute but causes some issues? Oh. Okay. Okay. Okay, okay. Can I... Please! Okay. God damn. Unknown table. Okay, that's to be expected. What's not to be expected, though, is this. Okay, there's a failure in what I'm doing. Let's take a look at drop table. Not in here. It's in here. Drop. Okay. So I'm passing over for drop table. It's a list. Maybe this is triggered by some... I think this is the thing. This is not a thing you want to trigger. What the fuck is wrong with you? Fuck J. Okay. Okay, it isn't triggered. That's cool. Oh, it's because it uses tables instead of... Yep. Cool, cool, cool. Stop counting! Ah! No, you can count all you want. Okay. Indeed, why the fuck am I using this? So it was already correct. This is all retarded. Wait a minute. It was wrongly implemented, goodly implemented. Okay. Nice meme. Nice fucking meme. Okay. So that means that I should be able to do this. And it should work. It was... Well, then why did it fail the first time? Okay. Okay, so now it does the thing. That's cool. Okay, so you mean that you were doing the dishes while pressing the number to count. This is an unhinged level of dedication, okay? Right syntax. Fine. Okay, so the double quote is fucked here. Okay, and where do we actually do this? Table handling. Create table. Okay, create table is cooked. Probably because I did a 4, and we don't need to do 4 here, you stupid motherfucker. Bro, what is wrong with you? Oh, wait. No, we need a 4. confusion acquired. That's fair, MB, that's fair. Okay. Create table. We iterate over the table, so we do create table name, that's okay. We add to it this. Ooh. This is a failure. Right? Wait, no, because we want it to be... Okay. So we join each statement together. Then we put the tuple. So the tuple is going to quote it into single quote each. Oh, maybe that's the issue. Well, I can simplify this essentially by doing another dot join. So I'm joining what's inside one instance of initial column by spaces, but then each chunks should be joined by commas. So I can do join again, but like this. And then, instead of putting a tuple, I can just leave that shit out, remove this, execute this, and put this over it. Yes. This works. Okay. And then... I'm just throwing the init primary. Init primary should be the names. Well, can't I do this again? Like, just to maybe control a bit more what's going on. Okay. And then for the foreign key... So each foreign key that I have... that's a bit more complicated. Okay, the positioning is okay. Okay, I don't think the foreign key is fucked. Maybe there needs to be a comma between the two? No, right? No, it doesn't. Do we need a comma between multiple foreign keys? Wait a minute. Alright, show me. Or maybe we need a comma between fucking everything. Oh, we don't seem to. Okay. I would print the create label statement at each step. This string is actually created. That's true. So before it actually execute, we should print it just to have an idea. But I think the crux of the issue was fixed. And we have a variable for this, right? Well, it's not really string manipulation. Well, fuck. When I hear string manipulation, I think of manipulating an existing string. We're just adding shit. We're appending the n, right? None of these steps are actually editing SQL table itself. What the fuck is this? Drugs? Question mark? Print. Here we go. Okay. Yeah, that doesn't stress me. We can see the result at the end. I didn't import it. I did not import it. Nice meme. Okay, this needs to be the very first thing. Yeah, we're not doing this mistake again. Okay. Okay, what the fuck is wrong with you? Well, maybe it's when the import are actually done. Right? I'm doing it here. While actually, I should do it like after these. Or I shouldn't do it at all, maybe? That's the meme? No, I need to do it for this. Fuck. And I need to do it for this. Okay. So maybe we... Okay, there's no way around this. Okay. Okay. So that's our query. No, I will print, okay? I will print. Alright, what's the issue? What's wrong with my syntax? You primitive fuck. Okay. Okay, let's throw this into MariaDB and actually have a fight with it. Quotes, quotes. Those needs to be quoted, right? That's the problem. Yep. That's the fucking problem here. Is that the meme? Will this work? Is it just No? Okay. Your VID is auto increment. Yes, it can be, or I don't give a fuck. I could remove it. You have an error in your SQL. Syntax error vmain. Huh. Okay, we don't need quotes, and I'm a retard. Is this the meme? We never needed quotes. Okay. What's the issue here? I don't get it. Let's go. Take a look. MySQL. What is the issue? No, I don't want to inline it, you stupid bitch. Okay, so the parentheses. Okay, so it needs to be within. Okay. Okay. Okay, that's fair. Wait a minute. Wait a minute. Like, we manage the auto increment, but who care? Like I said, we could remove it. We could keep it in. We don't give a shit. So I guess we can just put this within the other thing. So do this, because we always have primary keys anyway, right? And do boop, boop, boop. I don't like the readability. Let's just do this. Is it the same thing with the foreign keys? When I see in table def, I assume... Okay. Yes. So I probably should... No, my foreign keys need to be there. So I need to do this. And I need to put that parenthesis at the very fucking end like a dumbass. Table creation is in order because our list of table is in order. This is also why when I do drop table, I reverse the table. Oh fuck, because now I don't list them, I don't reverse them. Alright. Is it reversed? Yeah. Okay. Although this should not change a thing. Now that it's done in that way. Okay, I'll shut the fuck up. Okay. Yep, okay. Okay, let's stop the dumb fuckery here. Close that parenthesis here. We unfucked it here. Let's put a space at the end just so we don't end up with a freak. Here we go, here we go, here we go. Boom. Okay. Alright. Why does this not run? I don't get it. Ah, it's the comma. Okay, okay. So we can force a comma over here. Okay. Oh. So we're fucking up at the foreign keys? Cool. Let's go check. Ah. Come on here. So that means that we can completely forego this and essentially just... Wait a second. Yeah. We can just do this. We have a space at the end. That means that we could do this. And we just join with a space. Easy. Okay. Alright. We're having an error here. That I don't know what the fuck it means. But we're doing pretty fucking good. Okay. Exception ignored in... Okay, so when we delete, it does an exception for some reason. Del DB. Del DB takes 0 positional, 1 was given. Self? Question mark, question mark? Okay, self. Nice meme! That was a nice meme. Okay, so this is fixed. Ignoring the fact that this is fucked. DB is not defined. Are we not importing DB? Oh, it's not defined yet. Fair enough. Okay, but we can pass along the definition of DB. Like, we don't need to give a fuck. Right? This is in start. So I could... Yeah, just pass DB. DB. Why not? Might not even get to 14. Don't put my hopes up. Okay? Don't put my hopes up. Wait, we were already at Start Manager? Are you fucking kidding me? No. No. Of course not. What the fuck? Where am I? T. No, we're in T. Okay. Where the fuck is T triggered? T is start. Bro, we're so close. Okay. So I'm passing the DB through here. So this makes me not give a fuck about this. Okay. Cool. Okay, this should work. Why is start triggered again? Oh no, it's triggered for the first time. In update. Start. I didn't save. I was like, what the fuck is this? Does it count if I didn't save? It does. It does. It's kind of sus that it took not that much time. T start table.gpid. Okay. Oh. So I guess that I can simplify this by giving up on list and just going for... Yeah, I'll give up on list. Yeah, this will fix it, but... Is there anywhere that there's a reset on this? No? Okay. Wait, this is broken for the future, but we'll fix it somehow, someday. Did I save? Did I save? It doesn't count if I didn't save. I did save. Okay. Okay. So update in start self.db.getNextID. MySQL getNextID missing one positional argument table. Fair enough. Fair enough. Let's give it the table it needs. There we go. 13.5 based. Okay. Self.manager.list. Great processor has no attribute manager. Do you mean manager? I like the... Do you mean the same thing but yelling? Yes. This is what I meant. Wait, from where the fuck am I importing this? Multiprocessing. I got multiprocessing. Ah, fuck. Caps. Good one, Chief. We caps everything with GP. I think I know the line that you're talking about. That's voluntary. Because it's an update. So, line 30. 30. Doop. Queued update. Update, we use append with it. At least we should. So it's good that we set it to this. I saw it. Okay. So now we're in the multiprocessing. Ooh, we didn't put the caps. Me changing everything with GP in capitals really fucked me up, eh? We're doing great, we're doing great. Okay, how about we do like this? Control F. Put the T. Put the T. Put the T in the bag. Okay, let's... Can we start here? Okay. Bro! Okay. Alright. Let's go. Ooh. Self. Oh, I forgot a self. Main update. 4 table self. Bro, it's GP. You know it's GP. I even put the capitals. No. Wait, we're there? Bro, there ain't no way. There's something fucked in here. Okay. In, get, return. Okay, let's go check the table engine. Table engine seems to be struggling a little bit. Okay, what's wrong with this? Workaround galore. Okay. Key error. Okay. So I passed table ID and I should pass... Oh, I'm actually passing table probably. Is this the meme? Not table ID, but table. Ooh, I think that's the meme. Where are my trusty gets? Okay, get set. So this results in a get automatically. Do we pass self in table when we do a get? Or do we do self GI? Okay. Ah, it wasn't fixed here. What? No, this is the right form. You haven't looked at the results yet. I know, I know. We're still doing great. Wait, what the fuck? No, we're talking about TE here, right? That's the meme? Okay, get. First thing, okay, T, self. T, do we pass table ID or we pass the fucking table here? Time to choose. Okay, we should pass the table ID. This is... So this is retarded. Okay, cute. Okay. This is going to be slow as shit, so as long as it goes fast, it means that there's something broken. Okay. Why are you continuing? Just crash. Okay. Okay, fuck you, fuck you. That's spitting in my face, okay? That's a... Okay. I'm starting to lose faith, okay? Losing faith that we might do it today. Okay. Why is this bad? What are you talking about? Oh my god. Ah, fuck. It's another, I know what it is. I know what it is. 138. It's another enumerate. 138 in... It's this one? No? This one? Look at this. Bro! Oh! Wait, I'm not reading this right. We enumerate data. So data has multiple position. We enumerate it. So this should be the value of enumerate, and this should be the actual data at each position. False is val, is none. Else, we go here. Okay. Is the issue the fact that I multi-line it? That's probably it. I think that's a meme. F. Okay, that all makes sense. So let's assume that our issue is the interpreter being retarded. That's always the solution. Blame the interpreter! Or at least tell me where the fuck the issue is next time, instead of dunking on me and just crashing while in multi-core. Okay, thank you. No need to crash again. Haha, okay, okay, I got it. Fuck you. Okay, that's a nice one. Bro. Okay. How are you missing Val? I'm enumerating here. I'm confused. Can filter not pass multiple? Argument? Like, I'm doing this so that it's more compact. Fuck. Enumerate. Map. Python. Val might be reversed. No, that wouldn't be the case because if it were reversed, it wouldn't give us an issue with not having two values, right? It's going to be fucking retarded. Fair, it's going to be fucking retarded. When it's the reverse of what I want. Thank you. Thank you, you buffoon. Why do I need enumerate in the first place? Because I need to know which fucking column it is. Of course. Of course I do. I'm back. Eaten dinner, took a nap. Good times. Sounds like a good time. Okay. I like using map, goddammit. And filter. Okay, so I need to do this meme. So this would work. There's no way. Like, it already tells me no. I saw a main dev of OpenBSD responding to retarded California HOS laws. Basically said, I don't give a fuck. Canadians W. Okay. Fucking hell. We are not going back on that debate, okay? You are an absolute fucking libertarian. Fuck, I don't know how to make that insult work. I don't know. I'm fucking confused about this. How? No, you don't have to be sorry about it. I would debate it. It's just that right now I'm trying to focus. Don't worry, I am the world's biggest fucking fighter on everything, so yeah. I would fight to the death to yap some more. Okay, is it that filter is magical? I thought that filter was literally map with a if condition. Okay. I don't want to use a for loop. And this is going to be for, like, something else? Okay, fuck you. Fuck you. Okay, so it gives a tuple. Is that the meme? No? Sometimes you have to do what you don't want to do. No, okay? I don't consent. I'm trying one last thing. Or else I'm killing the hostages. This will work. You know why it will work? Because it will work. What's the logic behind your choice? I don't fucking know. But make it work. Okay. Okay. You stop. Ah. Okay. We need a fucking for loop in here. I'm triggered. You know someone is triggered when temp is what they use, okay? If X val, okay. If val, we can do this. Okay, val is this. X is this. Temps are useful, you can fire them easily after the fact. Are you talking about temporary employees? Based. Okay, this should work. I hate loops. No more loops. Death to all loops. Fuck. Oh my god. Alright. What's going on? T get select. Okay. DB handling. In select. Okay, what the fuck is wrong with my syntax? You little bitch. Okay. So we have the... Fuck, just print. Just print it. It's the new Nike commercial. Just print it. Where the fuck is column driver in where? Oh no. Oh no no no. Am I not using the standard features that I should be using? Yes, I think. Goddamn. Okay, where's my command? Am I blind? Oh, they're all up here. Okay, so our problem is quotes. Do I just raw dog some quotes there, or do I let Buddy Bud take care of it? Raw dogging it. If the Linux kernel has any fucking quote somewhere, I'll kill myself, okay? Did I save? This is life telling me. You didn't save. You're a retard. Raw doggy? Doggy doggy. Okay, those works, right? What the fuck is wrong with you? What is this? Okay, first, fuck off with all that good shit. Okay? Fuck off. Okay. What the fuck is going on here? I know, okay, I know. I should use it, I should use it. I'm so dumb. Is it that there's only like one thing failing and right now it's processing its way out of like the Great Depression? I guess that's it. I guess it's mostly working. Okay. Not for now, but keep... No. Now. Okay, it needs to be fixed now. This is retarded. Okay. The substitution thing is this. It's like this. Whoops, the fuck is this? Okay. How do we trigger it? Okay. And I guess whenever this happens, I can append to a secondary array. This is slop. So I can do temp to electric boogaloo. And I can put val in there. So val will contain my value. I can just pass along val. Boom. Here we go. We have the solution to everything. The def, the universe. Maple slop. It is maple slop. Fuck your buffer, you little bitch. What the fuck even is this? Okay, fuck printing the SQL. It triggers me. Oh. 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 Does it die at the fetch part? No. Yes, I know. Okay, thank you. Fuck you. Mm-hmm. Okay, so I should do like equals something and then return it. Is this what you're talking about? So this is an error, and I should do this equals temp3, and then I pass over temp3. Is this the meme? But my understanding is if we do a fetch one and there's multiple thing, or there's not a thing, what do we do? How can we put this possibility? Shit. But it fails at execute, no? I'm being retarded here. It fails at execute. Fair enough. I don't want to do this. Its own var. Well, I can just do this, right? I know that it triggers the clean part of you, but I don't think that it changes anything, you know? Okay, fuck me. Okay. Yes. Okay, we don't get the... Oh, we get the eye bitch. Okay, first let's kill this. So we run the eye bitch. We have this buffer thing. Let's go up. Execute. Parse columns. I know what it is. Do I? Wait. Could it be that we're using the... we're using the same instance of SQL? So we do the split, and we use the same instance of SQL, so it fucks up, right? Because we split the different process. So here, I should have something to, like, override whatever is stored in here. So like let me test my theory, okay? Start. New. DB. Self. DB. Yes, we're talking about TE. T start new DB. Here it will require DB. Wait, wrong place. Okay. DB. Okay, this save. Boom, 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 boom. All right. That was the issue. Okay. Moving on. Well, at least that's great. And that's fair. I guess this is kind of cringe. Who cares? If it doesn't break for now, who the fuck cares? It will break in time. Okay, remove all the crap about the buffer and... Okay, good. How about we try without this, right? We'll just try this meme. Just see if it takes a raise. Okay, pickle. Great processor has no attribute. Share changed. Of course, it changed name. What? Push set to main. Push set to... Oh, fuck. We like capitals over here. Okay. Okay. We're getting further. We're getting further. STR object has no attribute. Execute. What? Is it STR because it just fucking moved the pickled shit across? Yep, that's what happened. You know what? What's the difference between the S and no S? Pickle! How to use. Like Ottawa, Quebec, and Washington? Exactly. I like capitals. Pickling your mom. Okay. Okay, what dumps? Syrian, okay, so dumps the loads, okay. So we should use the version with an S. Cool. Okay, nice fucking meme, but doesn't help. Okay. Bro. Okay, fuck it. We're printing. Minus equal load string. This doesn't help me. No knowledge was achieved, okay? Maybe it's because I'm capitalizing CS here. Ooh. No, of course not. There's no, like, main thing called CS somewhere. Hopefully. How do we declare CS? True chain set. Okay. Okay. Alright, no, there's no... No issues. No issues. Let's run this shit. Unimportant comments, that doesn't help. Fair. Alright, print me. What happened? Oh, wait. I know. We only have the keys. How did this happen? Wait. We're storing the whole fucking CS, and then we're storing it using the key. Change set dict. And change set dict. Yes. Push set to main. We push this, and we append this. Then when we stop manager, we take from this, the this that we put, we load the fucking thing. Wait, does Pickle not like dictionaries? What the fuck is this? Dict, exactly. We're all about cocks, okay? Bro, let's just be violent, okay? Let's choose violence. We are currently using the genocide function. Ah! Okay, so we know that it's as advertised, so we have a valid dict. So fuck Obsidian. Okay, the next kernel is not for a little while. Fuck you. All right, fuck you. Print order. Wait. No, that doesn't even make sense. What the fuck is this? Cool. Will we ever get somewhere? What is this? What happens? Is update that bad? Okay, so everything from this point is good. Now, let's make the ultimate test. It's still good. Okay. The plot thickens. Ah, you stupid shit. Fuck. It's all going to work now. Fucking dictionaries, man. Ah, goddamn. I was literally going through the keys. Int is not iterable. That's not up to you. You bitch. Table handling, execute. Okay, this is probably me, like, over-optimizing the fuck out of this. I don't know, it's getting late. Starting to think about my daughter. We'll probably fix all of this tonight anyway. When she goes to sleep. So this tuple is probably fucked. Why do I do this? Why do I hate myself? What the fuck is this? I don't even know what that means. What? Why? This is so dumb. And why do I even want to enumerate? Someone tell me. It's to future-proof something. Of course it is. Of course it is. Future-proofing, you fucking idiot. Int is not iterable. Okay, I did not protect this with an if. No fucking way. Eh. This makes even less sense. What was I smoking? Okay. If any values that are part of this are tuples, then we need to know about it. Is there any moment where this shouldn't be a tuple? I don't fucking know. So we do if type this is tuple, boom boom, boom, schlop bam bom. I feel that this code is fundamentally cooked. Like the part that I'm fixing. CS result happen. Nice one, nice one. I love this. Okay, where do we actually do the +1? It's in somewhere else, I guess. It's the set. We do +1, but this should be linked to this. Same thing here. Any other usage of this shit? I shouldn't have done it this way. Like, my capacity to make mistakes is increasingly high. Okay. Okay, we run this. Go, go, go. I want to go do something else. Okay, fuck you. This allows for more content. No. This feels like an insult. Weekly reference object no longer exists. You weak shit. You're referencing to something that doesn't even exist. Ugh. Okay. Do something else then, bitch. Ending stream for deadlock. Yes! More deadlock. I'm like in the top 30%, okay? Which is pretty good for me, okay? Because I'm trash. Okay, this is all I need to understand this to debug it. Fuck it. Fuck it. We're so close. But yet, so far. I'll fix all of this, or I'll fix it tomorrow. I'll be there tomorrow, probably way earlier. And we'll have some fun. Well, it's been 3 hours of streaming. 3 hours of streaming. God damn. And tomorrow we're gonna have the distinct pleasure of re-implementing all of that bullshit. But I think we're near. We're very, very near. I don't know. I'll delete all of this. Are we getting somewhere? What the fuck? I guess we are. I should have capitalized GP. Regrets. I don't know. This shit is clean. This shit is clean. Oh, and maybe I should do all of this offline. The rewriting. The old writing into the new writing. It went well, even if it did work today. If it did not work today. Yes. True. True, true, true. Yep. So tomorrow, if I manage to fix everything tonight, tomorrow we should get on Vue, right? So the new concept that we have for handling ASTs, we're going to have to implement that. And then implement views onto the AST, and then we're back on making parsers. God! This was a rabbit hole, but this is a good rabbit hole, because right now we can... Oh no. Fuck. We need to make another table engine right after, because this one is trash. Oh no. Yay. I don't know. Do I make the one using the new table thing that you were talking about? Or do I do it using a pure Python? Who knows? This is more a 24-hour stream. I don't know. When I'm doing shit offline, things flies. I feel that we, like, get some things done while I'm on stream. So, I may do that if I feel like it. But I mostly feel like deadlock these days. It's fun to chill. It's fun to chill. But now it feels like this is in our grasp. This is actually structured. This is less retarded. Less. Not totally fixed. But I like the this tangent was not a bad idea, MB, okay? It was not a bad idea. Thank you for giving your ideas. Now we will be also able to implement other DB types, Postgres, or whatever the fuck. We'll be able to make it compatible for, what is it? Berkeley DB? Nice meme, nice meme. Okay, enough yapping. We will see in 3 months if you can still read the code. I think it's pretty fucking readable. I think it's pretty fucking readable. Like, there's some plays that I have clearly gave up. Master file is one of them, okay? But this is readable, okay? Fuck you. It is clear. If you cannot read it, it's a you problem. No, it's way better than it was, at least. I would use SQLite. Well, we could make the implementation for the DB to be SQLite. We could. Or the table engine. Or whatever the fuck we want. You know what? You'll be able to implement your own. And call me a retard whenever you bench it, okay? I'll cry. Having done all of that code for nothing because you are trouncing my performance. And I'll be happy about it. I just want perfs. More perf! But hey, I'm stubborn enough. I think my design will be superior. Peak stubbornness. A tuple map lambda on one line is not easy to read. Nah, it's a you issue, okay? This is readable, okay? This is peak readability. Oh, man. I would use the well-known and popular Berkeley TV. How much AIDS infused would that be? No, I'm memeing. Like, there's some that are, like, unreadable, clearly. But like this, you need an explainer. But the idea here is that it's way easier for someone to go back and redo these in their own language. Which is the goal. I'm happy about it. But they work, so don't touch them. We will need to touch them soon, right? We're re-implementing this tomorrow, okay? Tomorrow, we're re-implementing this. Oh no! Oh, Maple on Suicide Watch. Okay, enough meme. I gotta go. Love you, MB. Love you, Rust. Love you if there's anybody else. We're seeing each other tomorrow, earlier this time, okay? Probably at around 10, or maybe earlier, who the fuck knows. No, I'll play Deadlock around 10, okay? Bye-bye. Love you.